Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Spiderman Arts and Crafts is probably one of the most exciting ways for young fans to bring their favorite web-slinging hero to life, offering a fantastic blend of creativity, imagination, and hands-on fun that can keep children entertained for hours while developing their fine motor skills and artistic expression. Number 5. Crayola Spider-Man Color Wonder Coloring Set. Get ready for an adventure with Spidey and his amazing friends. This set includes 18 coloring pages and 5 special markers for hours of fun. Say goodbye to messes. Our special markers only color on the provided paper, keeping skin, clothes, and carpets clean. Bring the excitement of the Spider-Verse to life. These pages feature beloved characters in fun line art that any fan will adore. Keep everything neat and tidy with our convenient folder-style packaging. It's perfect for storing your coloring pages and markers, and great for on-the-go fun. Expand the creative possibilities. These markers work seamlessly with all Color Wonder paints, markers, and stamps for endless artistic adventures. Looking for a fantastic gift? This set makes a wonderful birthday or holiday surprise for toddlers and kids. Pair it with other Spider-Man toys for an extra special present. Designed with safety in mind, this coloring set is non-toxic and perfect for children aged 3 and up. Let their imaginations soar. What we like. This set guarantees no mess, as colors only appear on special paper. If you are looking for a way to keep your little ones entertained without the worry of stains on furniture or clothes, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for toddlers and young children who love Spider-Man and for parents who want a clean art experience. What people say. The quality is great. They don't tear just by coloring on them. The pictures are detailed and nice looking. With this set, the markers only work on the special coloring pages, which means zero mess anywhere else. The colors are bright and fun, and the themed pages keep my child entertained for a long time. We love how these markers make things appear in the picture and also keep areas white to allow a secret symbol or words to show up. Number 4. Spider Dartboard for Kids. Introducing the Spider Dartboard, a fun and engaging game for kids. It comes with a dartboard and 10 sticky balls in various colors. This set is perfect for developing motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This game encourages teamwork and turn-taking. Players aim for the target, accumulating scores on the sticky ball board. It's a great way to improve math skills and color recognition. Made from high-quality soft fabric, it's easily foldable for storage and portability. The sticky balls are safe and designed to adhere well to the board. Featuring a unique spiderweb pattern, this dartboard is perfect for multiplayer fun. It can be hung anywhere, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor play. This durable and fun dartboard set is suitable for children aged 3 to 12. It makes an excellent gift for holidays and birthdays. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This game is designed to help children develop essential motor skills and hand-eye coordination in a fun way. If you are looking for an engaging activity that encourages physical play and friendly competition for kids aged 3 to 12, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for parties, family gatherings, or just a fun afternoon indoors or outdoors. What people say. The web wall hanging is made with felt. We used a clip magnet for the fridge to hang it on and worked great. Great for ages 3 to 12. The size is perfect for the room, it's durable, and when he isn't practicing he plays with my twins, and lets them win. I love this little set and I definitely recommend BC. It's safe, inexpensive, and fun for adults and kids. Number 3. Marvel Spider-Man Kids LCD Watch. Swing into action with this amazing Spider-Man watch. It's perfect for any young superhero who wants to keep track of their adventures. Get ready for a light show. This watch features a cool flashing LED bullet band that adds extra excitement to telling time. Telling time is a breeze with its clear digital display. Your child can easily see the hours and minutes, anytime, anywhere. Show off their favorite hero with this vibrant red and blue design. It's a stylish accessory that any fan will love to wear. Made with a durable plastic case, this watch is built to withstand playtime. It's ready for all the action your child can imagine. The adjustable silicone strap ensures a comfortable fit for wrists of all sizes, from 5.5 to 8 inches. It's easy to put on and take off too. What we like. This watch offers a fun and interactive way for kids to tell time, complete with flashing lights. If your child is a Spider-Man fan and you want to get them their first watch or a cool accessory, this is a great pick. It's durable and adjustable, making it suitable for everyday wear for kids aged 5.5 to 8 inches wrist size. What people say. Adorable watch and it lights up. It's light up. Well made. Number 2. Creative Spider-Man Complete Art Kit. Discover a world of creativity with this all-in-one art kit. It's packed with everything you need to bring your imagination to life, from coloring to painting and drawing. Inside, you'll find markers, crayons, colored pencils, watercolors, brushes, and more. This comprehensive set supports all your artistic endeavors, making creativity effortless. Whether you love to color, sketch, or craft, this set has you covered. It's perfect for coloring books, school projects, or letting your imagination run wild. Add a touch of superhero fun to your art sessions. With exciting Spider-Man themed packaging and materials, it makes creative time even more thrilling for fans. Designed for portability and easy storage, this kit is perfect for travel, school, or playdates. Take your artistic adventures anywhere you go. This ready-to-use art set is an ideal gift for children aged 3 and up. It's a thoughtful, fun, and practical present for birthdays or holidays. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a wide variety of art supplies for endless creative possibilities, all wrapped in exciting Spider-Man packaging. If you're looking for a complete art solution for a young Spider-Man enthusiast, this is ideal. It's perfect for home, school, travel, or as a gift, ensuring creativity can happen anywhere. What people say. Fun variety of markers, notebook, stickers, stamps, and all the things a young kid would want to play with. This is a small set, but it comes in a travel case, so it would be great to take on the go for kids to keep them busy during travel. Number 1. Marvel Superheroes Avengers Coloring and Activity Book Set. Get ready for epic adventures with your favorite Marvel Avengers. This set is packed with fun activities. Bring Spider-Man and the Avengers to life with vibrant colors. Hours of creative fun await. Decorate your creations with awesome stickers. Perfect for adding that extra heroic touch. Enjoy screen-free entertainment that sparks imagination. It's a fantastic way to learn and play. Surprise the young hero in your life with this amazing gift. Ideal for birthdays and holidays. Whether they're toddlers or older kids, everyone will love diving into this action-packed set. What we like. This set combines coloring, activities, and stickers for a multifaceted creative experience with perforated pages for easy tear-out. If you want an engaging and educational gift for young Spider-Man fans that encourages creativity and learning, this is a wonderful choice. It's perfect for toddlers and kids who enjoy interactive play and themed activities. What people say. Great books for 3 and 4-year-olds into superheroes. Large illustrations. Great pictures. Nice illustrations and activities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.